Hi everyone, it's me again. Hey, so I made a video actually just a few minutes ago, and I had just opened up this bag of quarters. I got it in the mail. Here's the packaging thing. But anyway, I had just noticed that these guys here at the Great American Coin Company, uh, you can get like money off, like discount. You have like discount codes and you type that in. I think there's like a little box where you would punch in like free 5 or free 10, and you can take advantage of some of these special discounts. So I thought I'd like to share that with you guys. Anyway, but that's what I got in the mail, and maybe you guys could save a little money. Anyway, I did mention the size. I made a size comparison between the quarter, the size of a quarter, and then the size of. I made a reference to what the size of a dime, and that's what determines the size of a US coinage would be the silver content. That's why dimes are so much smaller. And so I thought, well, I have about a jar full of silver dimes, so why not share that with you guys? But yeah, these are made entirely out of silver. And there's 661 of them here. And there's 5 half dollars. So they're all in there. But yeah, these are all 90% silver. This is when, this is from a time when US currency was actually backed by silver. We were on the, what's called the gold standard. And Richard Nixon um, basically ended it. It was supposed to be a temporary default in 1971 where he suspended the convertibility of paper money into real assets, like what you see here. Anyway, this was a process that had started long before that, because in 1964, the US went from 90% silver to 40%. And then in 1971, it was no more. That was the end of it. So you could still find like half dollars and dollars, coin dollars that have some silver content, but they're not very dense. So anyway, I think I have a few of those, but I don't really look for those very much. I prefer the 90% density stuff. Anyway, but here it is. Let me see if I can find a quarter or two. I don't know if I have quarters in here. I may have to pull one out of the bag that I just showed. But here, this is a half dollar right here. As you can see, you can look at the sides. There's no layers. This one here is from 1968. Oh, so there it is. This one is 40% silver, because 1964, I believe, was the last year when they had just a little more. This one's from 67. I didn't think I had too many, and it looks like that's all I'm finding. 1964. Okay, so this one here is 90% silver. So we'll put these on the side. And then, so basically, the point I was trying to illustrate is that it takes 5 of these. There's 3, 4, 5. So 5 of these on a scale. Shoot, now I just gave myself another idea. I should bring in like a scale so we can actually measure it and see what the numbers say. But it's my presumption that 5 of these weigh the same as 1 of these, and that's why they're equal in value, because there's the same amount of silver in them. And then if you take 2 of these, yeah, there you go, 1964. This is a Kennedy dollar, or a Kennedy half dollar, I should say. So if you take 2 of these, then you get the same amount of silver that you would find in like a $1 coin. Like I think they had, you know what, I don't want to say this because I'm probably going to say it wrong. I think they had some lady, like the Lady Liberty, I don't know what they call her, but she was on the dollar. She's also on the quarter, on the much older ones. But anyway, I should really research this stuff before I start talking. Oh, there's one right there. That looks like the same image. This is a $50. But yeah, this looks like the same image that you would see on a silver eagle. So she's I think Walking Liberty, that's what they call her. The Walking Liberty. And then there's another one, the Morgan dollars, where they show only her face. Actually, it might not even be her. It might be a different character from Greek mythology or something. Anyway, great topic to research. Maybe you guys could teach me a thing or two in the comment section below. But yeah, I thought I'd share these with you guys. And yeah, if you haven't started collecting silver, it's actually pretty neat. It's actually a lot of fun. And if we do run into an economic collapse here in the US, which I'm pretty certain we will within our lifetime, this is going to get you through those tough times when when hyperinflation is going to be just completely out of control. This will still maintain purchasing power because of its silver content, not so much because of the images that are printed on it. So, okay, I think I've said enough. So you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.